Hello everyone. Today is a special day because we're unboxing this super awesome watch. Look at the size of this box here. Whenever Seiko throws a watch in such a large box, you know you're going to get something special. And this is not a dive watch because it's not in one of the new black large ones. So we're looking at something different, a Presage here. Wow, check out the beautiful wood box we got going on here. This is fantastic. Let's take out the little watch there, and whew, look at that red. It's intense. Beautiful, beautiful. In case you can't tell yet, we are looking at the Porco Rosso Studio Ghibli Seiko watch, and look at that box. Look at the embossing on there. This was done with a lot of love. Here we go. This little foam insert, you're supposed to take it out, but I like to leave it in there because, you know, it holds the watch better. Here you got an extra strap, the black one right there, and then the red one comes on the red. This is where the watch normally goes, not on that gray foam piece. And this little envelope here features Porco Rosso's plane, and there. I'm not sure what that says, but it's very cool. And of course, the usual Seiko warranty booklets and instruction booklets. So this is a very cool limited edition watch. What makes it even more special is that it's a spring drive. In that envelope there's a little polishing cloth. I don't want to take it out to get it ruined, but now here's what we came for. Let's take a look at this beautiful, stunning watch. Look at that red. I mean, this is a nice watch band. If you see my other videos, I'm the first to complain about Seiko watch bands, but this one is phenomenal. There you can see the man, or the pig himself, Porco Rosso. Very, very cool. This is part of the Seiko Presage collection, and this is an extra special one because they didn't just do a normal Presage here. They made it into a spring drive. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Man, I can't stop looking at it. We'll wind up the spring drive a little bit and take it. Spring drive is pretty much the premier in Japanese watchmaking. And look how it just floats across the dial there. So the dial takes inspiration from the instrument panel of a plane. Very clear, bold numbers. And you can see the R emblem from Porco Rosso. Just very cool. And you can see here the box a little bit. I want to show it off a little bit. I didn't get that much of a good glimpse to show you on video here, but beautifully done. There you can see the Studio Ghibli. I'm not sure what those kanji figures say, or, you know, so Presage, Seiko, so maybe it says Presage again. Those of you who can read that, feel free to make a comment below in the comments to what it says on the box there. So again, this watch is just nice. They kind of hit everything from that R emblem, everything on the dial, you know, it's just subtle. And even the colors. This is an enamel dial spring drive, and you know, you got that little hint of green there in the meter, the red R, you know, the red on the second hand. It's just great. So the watch features the bright red strap. Again, it's a beautiful strap, beautiful band. You've got the stitching there with the green, yellow, and red for the Italian flag, and also the same colors appear on the plane. Like I said, the R you have is the logo for Porco Rosso with the little shield underneath. Just phenomenal. On the side here, you can see the R emblem, where we usually have the S mark for Seiko, but they put the R for Porco Rosso. So just all these little details on here. And on the back dial, you could see the pig himself, and behind the pig, you see, of course, the 5R65 spring drive caliber watch movement, and it's just nice. This watch is limited to 500 worldwide. And the engraving there that appears in Italian goes from one of Porco Rosso's quotes: "A pig that does not fly is just a pig." So another cool little detail. So let's talk about this movie, the reason why this watch was made. The movie Porco Rosso. Porco Rosso is a Japanese movie. It was made by Hayao Miyazaki, and Miyazaki makes wonderful movies, animated movies, and they all have a definite style to them. And to us here, they're a little more different. It's not like a Disney movie. They have a fairy tale type quality, like a mythos to them. They don't entertain you. They invite you into their world so you could witness it. The movie is a great movie. I've seen other works of Miyazaki, but I hadn't never had a chance to see Porco Rosso, but I was able to check it out since the watch came out, and I wanted to know and see this movie that inspired such a beautiful watch. So the movie is about an airplane fighter. This is after World War One. He's an Italian, but the most important thing here is he's a pig. So the movie is fantastic. You might think it's a kids movie, but when you watch it, it's very entertaining. It feels like it was made more for adults, and it's a type of movie that kids could watch, so everybody in the family could enjoy the movie. I went in there not knowing what to expect with it. I knew he was a pig, and he was a fighter pilot, but it was fantastic. The different fight scenes they had with the planes, the animation was amazing, and it had a lot of great messages in it. Porco is, a gruffy, kind of tired of this world type of character who goes ahead and, he saves people from sky pirates and gets paid to do so. So I don't want to give too much away in this movie. It's a historical movie. It takes place in Italy in the 1930s, and it has a lot of stuff going on in the background. You know, and it's very interesting the way they point everything out. Again, I'm trying not to give away too much here of the movie, so it's kind of hard to talk about it and tell you, how cool it is and why it's cool. But after watching the movie, I understand why they made this particular watch. And once you see it and then you look at the watch, you see the importance on the different designs, features that the watch has. And Miyazaki, because he's Japanese also, you can see how it ties into with Seiko being a Japanese company, and they're continuing their tradition in celebrating Japanese culture. You see that a lot with the Presage watches. They're celebrating everything that is Japanese and what makes them unique and how they see things in their way and how they would make these watches. And here they're celebrating a great Japanese animated movie. And you can say Miyazaki's done probably more famous movies, definitely Spirited Away, My Neighbor Totoro, and even Princess Mononoke. But it was interesting to choose the Porco Rosso for the watch, and maybe because Porco Rosso maybe has more of an adult feel to it. It's more of a historic style movie in the animation. But overall, I love the watches that came out with the collaboration here with the Porco Rosso design. And if you get a chance, definitely check out the movie. I would. If you're watching this video, you've probably seen it and are laughing at me because I'm not trying not to give away stuff you already know. But definitely, if you haven't get a chance to watch it, it shows you what inspired this beautiful watch. So I spoke about the crown. You've got the R on it, where you usually find the S for Seiko on there, but the R because this is Porco Rosso's watch. And besides that, you've got a special engraving on the side, the case of the watch. It's engraved with the name of Porco Rosso's plane. Very cool. And on this video, this watch has no lume, so we won't be taking it into the dark to check it out. But thank you for taking the time to listen and watch this video. It's been fantastic taking a look at this watch. This was definitely a surprise.